Hi, Melanie here, Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of our pre-owns that we just arrived. This is a 2016 Jayco Jayflight. 184BH is the model number. This is a cute little bunkhouse, just a little under 3,000 pounds for towing, so makes it easy to tow, a lot of fun for a family of 3 to 5 to get out and enjoy the outdoors. I hope you enjoy this tour of the inside of this Jayco. This is a 360-degree video, so please take your time to move the camera angle around and look at the things that you want to view while I'm pointing out a few of the amenities. Outdoors, of course, there is a power awning, speakers, and lighting to enjoy more relaxing outdoors. But inside here, you can see that up front there is a dinette table that's pretty big. Definitely a family of 4 could sit there easily and dine. The table is free floating, so you can move it around, and then the legs just fold in, and that table booth does become a bed up front, and those cushions scoot in. The material on here is very soft and velvety, so it's really great shape for 2016. It was very well taken care of. Above the bed and dinette up front, you do have some additional storage. The full width of the camper here. All your lights you can turn on individually or at the front door. And then you do have some pull down shades on all your windows here. And of course the front window does have a pop out that on the outside that can raise up to bring in more light or have a view of the lake or wherever you might be. You do have some additional seating area here on the sofa and more storage up above with a couple of cabinets here. And then your audio system is already pre-wired in this camper, so you have speakers indoor and outdoor. Across from the seating area, you do have the kitchen that is equipped with your microwave. You have a hood vent with lighting and a 2-burner cook stove. Sink for your cleaning, and then some pretty good counter space for this small little camper. And it looks like the previous owner even added an additional little cabinet area there. And then underneath here is your Norcold refrigerator, and it does have a freezer box inside. This does run on gas or electric. And then below the sink you have some additional cabinets for storage. Those have shelves. A cabinet down below, and then you do have some pantry space here that has 3 shelves. There is a wardrobe bar at the top, so if you did need additional hang-up space, then the shelves could be dropped down and you can hang up your clothing there. So we're going to move a little further back on the tour. I want to show you the bunk beds and the bathroom right behind me. Okay. Bunk beds, you have single bunks here. They go pretty deep back there. Definitely, even if you're 6 foot tall, I believe you can still fit in here. The bunk capacity, these will support up to 300 pounds each. You do have individual lighting here too that you can turn on and off, and then the bottom one has a window and pretty high clearance so it doesn't feel so claustrophobic down there. And then behind me is the bathroom where you have your toilet and mirror there, and then just slide you on back. Alright, so this will give you a pretty good view of the bathroom. There is a skylight in your shower, a tub to soak those little ones, and enough room to move around to get dressed back here. We hope that you've enjoyed this tour of one of our pre-owns that we just got on our lot, and that you'll free up some time to come down and visit us. Look at a few more of our RVs that we have. We sell new and used. We hope you'll come visit us here at Bell Camper Sales. My name is Melanie. Be happy to give you a tour. Let's get you camping.